Hi all, how are you? Are you all happy? If you aren't happy, I got a deal to make you all financially independent. And I know money can make us happy to an extent. So, to earn money in a large scale, in a legal way, business is the only option. But not everyone can start a business. Do you know why? Because to start a business, we need two things. First one, capital. The second one, a brilliant idea. Everybody got a brilliant idea to start a business, but nobody have the money to invest. So let me tell you one business deal with which you can start without investment and 0% of risk. The industry name is multi-level marketing or network marketing, which is so wonderfully developed in each and every country, and which is so wonderful and showing a great growth in India from the past 2 years, and which is legal from 2016 itself, and which is legalized by Consumer Affairs Department of Indian government. So let me tell you a plan or an opportunity which can make you financially independent. And before that, let me tell you what is network marketing. Network marketing means we sell the product. Okay, we sell the product to the customer from the distributor, and we will be cutting the marketing people and the advertisement. So the network marketing company will be getting the all profit from the marketing media and the advertisement media. So the company will take out the profit and distribute it to the people who are working in the network marketing. So it is simple. In a normal marketing system or in a traditional marketing system, there are so many rich people who working as a marketing head or a advertisement media. They will be earning so much of money. In here, network marketing offering to the local peoples, to the peoples who want to be successful, and which is in distributing the product, earn money, which is in a form of business by creating working hour. So let's get into the business and let's get into the company. So the company name is Thames Bay. Thames Bay LLP, which invented in 2018. So we completed 2 years of journey. It can be considered as a startup, even though here we dealing products, we trading products, we marketing products, and the product will be getting to each and every customer with 100% of money back guarantee and with a price less than MRP. So that is the most important thing one customer need. So how we do business over here, I'll tell you. Okay, so here we can start our business by purchasing a package of product for a lifetime. So we are Thames Bay introducing 3 packages. First package is 50 BV. BV means business volume. Don't get confused, okay? So second one is 100 BV and third one is 200 BV. For 50 BV, it will be costing only 3,100 or maybe more than that. You can start a purchase at least for 3,100, and here it is 6,100 and plus, and it's here it's 12,000 rupees. So after purchasing a bunch of product, we will be getting ID and password, which help you to get into a business system, which help you to get into a what is it called, a network marketing industry. So this can lead us to a virtual office. With that virtual office, we can control our business system. And how we earning money means we got three main income modes. First one is binary income. BA, binary income. So how this is gonna work means we need to make a purchase. Okay, after purchase we will be getting an ID, and with that ID we can get into the virtual office, and in that virtual office the company will shows, or the virtual office shows two organization, left organization and right organization. So here what we are going to do is we are going to sell our products here and here also. So first we are going to sell 50 BV product here, and then we sell 50 BV product over here. So how we getting money means here the company or the system will be calculating the BV of each side. If you completed a minimum BV in each side, the company will give you 10 rupees for each BV. That means 50 into 10, that is equal to 500 rupees. You will be getting credited this amount in your bank account by cutting the tax amount, like after deducting the tax amount. So you don't have to worry about the legality. If you are getting an amount after paying tax, it's a legal way. So in this way you have created 400 business volume over here, 500 business volume over here. So here the minimum volume will be taking over, and the rest of the BV will be carry forward into the next day. So we take over 400 BV. So per BV it's 10 rupees. So 400 into 10, 4,000 rupees. You will be getting 4,000 rupees. So in this way you can earn minimum of 500 and maximum of 6,000 per day. So calculate, if you are earning 6,000 in a month, you will be getting 1.8 lakh rupees. I think that is easy for us to be a financially independent person. I hope you enjoy the first income. So let's go to the second income. Second income is promotional income. The name itself shows what kind of income is this. We will be getting a promotional income. So you have to promote our product, which is wheat grass. Okay, so what is wheat grass means? It's a food supplement, and the cost of wheat grass is 5,000 rupees. And this promotional income, this is not a mandatory. If you need more income, you can purchase this promotional pack and follow the criteria, then you will be getting the promotional income. The promotional income categorized into 9 slabs: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The first slab amount will be 50,000 rupees. Second one 1.25, which means 50,000 plus 75,000 rupees. Then like the same way 2.5, 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 25, 50, 1 crore and 2 crore. So from a single distribution ship ID, you can earn up to 2 crore about promotional income, and you can earn maximum as much you want from the binary income. So to earn the first slab amount, which is 50,000 rupees, you have to complete 3 criteria, and which income or this income we attached in the same binary tree which we talked in the first. So for the 50,000 achievement, 50,000 promotional income achievement, we need to do 3 things. First thing is 300 BV sale on each side. Second one will be 3 add-on sale, which costs 5,000 for product, in the right side also. And after that, the third one, it is easy and simple. 2 BV repurchase, which cost only 120 rupees. So if you're completing 300 BV product sale, 3 into 3 or 3 plus 3, total 6 add-on sale in both sides, mean 3 in the left and 3 in the right, and 2 BV repurchase, that will be costing only 120. If you're completing these 3 steps, you will be getting 3000 rupees as binary income, like we said over here, and you will be getting 50,000 rupee as a promotional income. So the total will be 53,000 rupees. I hope this is the maximum you will be getting from this industry out of that 450 companies. Okay, so this is the first one. Let's go to the second. So second one is 1.25 lakh. For this, we need to sell extra 300 in the left, extra 300 in the right, and 3 more add-on in the left and 3 more add-on in the right, and 4 BV of repurchase, that will be costing only 250 rupees. So total of 600 BV in the left, 600 BV in the right, which will be equal, like which will be adding from the first, and 3 add-on in the left, 3 add-on in the right, that is equal to total 6, and 4 BV of repurchase. If you are completing this, you will be getting 6,000 rupees as binary and 1.25 lakh rupees as add-on achievement or promotional pack achievement. So it's 1.31000. I hope you understand what I'm telling about. So the third one, that is 2.5 lakh. For this, you need to have 1200 BV sales in the left, 1200 BV sales in the right. You don't need to create a new 1200 BV. You already create 600 over here. So plus 600 will be 1200. Like same way, 1200 on the right side. And you already completed 6 add-on on the left, 6 add-on on the right, plus 12, that is equal to 18 add-on on the left, 18 promotional pack on the right, and 8 BV repurchase. If you completed these 3 steps, you will be getting 12,000 rupees as binary and 2.5 lakh rupees as add-on or promotional pack achievement. So the total will be 2.62000. Listen, to earn this much money, you just think how much years we want. If you're working for someone else, we need at least 2 years to save this much of amount. I'm telling you, if you are ready to work with us, you can earn this much amount in a minimum of month. So after, if we complete in this, we'll be rewarding as a first rank of the company, which is star. So after completing this step, we'll be going to the next one, that is 5 lakh. Before explaining 5 lakh, I want to tell you something very serious. In network marketing, we need to have a duplication. Do you know what is duplication? Duplication means we need to cut and copy what is done in the past, and we need to make it in the future. That we need to copy others, or others will be copying from us to make this network more wider, more bigger. So here we are already included a breaking point, a duplication point on here. Like if you want 5 lakh, you completed 2.5 and you will be like running so fastly to achieve 5 lakh. So here the criteria is very simple. If you are completed 2.5 lakh and you need to go for the 5 lakh, so the total numbers will be here 18 members. The total number in the right will be 18 members. From this 18, you need to make a star like 2.5 lakh achiever on the right. You need to create a 2.5 lakh achiever on the left. If you are creating these 2 stars, you will be getting 5 lakh as total add-on achievement, 25,000 rupees as binary. So you completed 5 lakh. So the next step will be 10. And the 10 lakh will be easy for you. Do you know how? because these two guys completed 2.5 lakh and these two guys want to go to the 5 lakh amount, so they will be creating star in the right, star in the left. Here also one star in the right, one star in the left. So your amount of work will be decreasing and you can duplicate from here and you will be getting 10 lakh. These guys will be getting 5 lakh. This how for 25 lakh rupees you need to create 6 star over here, 6 star over here, and for 50 lakh you need to create 10 star over here, 10 star over here, and for 1 crore you need to create 25 star here, 25 star here. For 2 crore you need to create 45 star on the left, 45 stars on the right. If you are completing these 3 steps, you will be getting 2 crore as add-on achievement plus 10 lakh as binary. Just go through these steps, just understand this, how we can earn. Just understand or just inquire about the plan and just execute. I'm telling you, this gonna be making a huge impact on your life, and I hope everybody like this income mode. So let's go to the last income mode, which is leaders bonus. So here you start your business and you go to left side and right side, left organization and right organization. If you're creating sale in the left organization, normally in network marketing you won't be getting any amount, but in TamesWay we are assuring you an amount of money through leadership bonus. I'll tell you how. So you introduce this person, okay, and is earning minimum 1 lakh per month, just for an example, okay. So the company will be giving 2% of income of the person you suggested or promoted or whatever you sponsored here. So if the person earn 1 lakh, you will be getting 2% of 1 lakh, that is equal to 2000 rupees. And from here for the 4th level till the 5th level, 1 2 3 4, these 4 guys, you will be getting 1% of income from him, 1% of income from him in a monthly basis, 1% from him, 1% from him. For an example, he's earning 50,000 rupees, so the 1% will be 500. So here the same will be 500, 500, 500. So total will be 2000, and we already got a 2000 extra. So 4000 rupees. It's a simple calculation, You just start the business right now. I'm telling you, this industry gonna be a massive hit of network marketing and also the Indian economic growth. So that's all for the last income. You created one person over here, or you sponsored one person over here, you'll be getting 2% of his income. Then the 4th layer, the coming 4th layer people will be paying, or from the 4th members will be getting 1%. And just think, if you got one more person over here, you'll be getting 2% from him, 1% from him, 1% from this person, 1% from this person, 1% from this person. So if you are getting the same amount like this, 4000 rupees plus this 4000, 8000 rupees per month without working. So this is about the plan, and if you got any doubt, you can call in my number, and I'll be listing on the number in the video itself. So if you want to be happy, and if the happiness is blocking by money, come with us. I'll let you know how to be financially independent. So see you soon all. Good future. God bless you.